Have you ever watched a movie where a hacker types furiously into a black screen? That's the command line, and while it may seem intimidating, it's a powerful tool you can learn. Even if you're not a programmer, basic commands can save you time and help you understand your computer better. Let's explore what the command line is, how to get started, and the essential commands you should know. By the end, you'll feel much more confident. The command line, also known as terminal or console, is a text-based interface. Here, you type instructions directly to your computer. Unlike clicking through menus, you enter commands to tell the computer what to do. Why use the command line? It's efficient for tasks that require multiple steps in menus. It offers control over system functions not accessible through a graphical interface. Plus, it enhances your understanding of how your operating system works. Opening the command line is easy. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type CMD, and hit Enter. For Mac OS, open Terminal from Applications in GT, Utilities, or use Spotlight. On Linux, find Terminal in your Applications menu or use Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Once opened, you'll see a prompt, like C users, your name in GT. For Windows, or your name at computer. $$ for Mac OS, Linux. This shows your current location in the file system. Type commands after the prompt and press Enter to execute them. Remember these tips. Commands can be case sensitive. Always press Enter to execute, and don't panic if you make a mistake. Just try again. Now, let's dive into essential beginner commands. First up is Change Directory, CD. This command allows folder navigation. For instance, CD Documents moves you into the Documents folder. Want to see what's inside a folder? Use List Files, dir for Windows or ls for Mac OS, Linux. To create a new folder, use Make a Directory, mkdir. For example, mkdir new folder creates a new folder. To copy files, use Copy on Windows or CP on Mac OS, Linux. To move files, employ Move on Windows or MV on Mac OS, Linux. Be careful with delete commands. Files may not go to the recycling bin. Use del for Windows and erm for Mac OS, Linux. If you're unsure about a command, get help with Help on Windows or man on Mac OS, Linux. With practice, using the command line becomes easier. Start small with folder navigation and listing files. Use tab completion to save time. Always double-check before deleting files, as they may not be recoverable. Experiment in a practice folder to avoid losing important files. Bookmark resources like ss64.com for Windows or Linux command cheat sheets for quick references. Keep a quick reference checklist of commands handy. The command line may look old school, but it's highly versatile. By mastering basic commands, you'll make everyday tasks quicker and more efficient. The best way to learn is through practice. Open your command line, try out commands, and embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Have you tried using the command line? Share your experiences in the comments. How are you using it?